Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a finale for you guys once again. This one is for the rolling 5 pan that I was doing throughout most of 2019. I was trying to finish off a last few items before officially running this one off, and I did okay. I'm almost there on like one of them. The rest of them are done. So let's take a quick look at where I am. So I've got the Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser from Image that I've been working on. I was here when I put this in after one update. I was here and I was hoping to finish it off, but of course I've been in New Zealand for 3 weeks, so I wasn't sure whether I would be able to do it, and I'm so close. Like, I'm right in here. When the cap is on, you cannot even see where I am anymore. So I'm fairly certain that within a week or so this one is done, but it's not completely done yet. So this one is one that I'm still going to be working on, but we're really close on it, so I'm excited about that. And one that I was pretty sure I could finish off because there was barely anything left in here is my Calm Water Gel from Dermalogica. This I use kind of as a serum, and it really helped hydrate my skin. I went from here to about here, that part dropped off, and now it is completely done, so I'm fairly excited about that. This was a really nice product to be using. My skin really felt hydrated during the time that I was using this, so yeah, I'm happy I tried it, and I'm also happy that I managed to finish it. Then the one that I was like really not sure whether I was going to be able to finish was my Fix and Rouge lip balm, but as you can see, it is completely done. I've been wearing this non-stop while I was in New Zealand and on the plane and all those types of things. I went like all the way from here all the way down, which is like at least double if not more the progress that I made last time, so I'm really excited about that. I've really worked hard on it, but it's just very easy to use because it's basically a lip balm, and I was wearing it kind of as a lip gloss and everything throughout the day. It's a somewhat tinted lip balm, so it works really nicely as that as well. So yeah, this one is done as well. So the only product that I didn't manage to finish is my facial cleanser, which will be done in about a week or so as well. So pretty excited about that. So throughout this year in this project, I've tried to finish off 18 products, and I managed to finish off 17 of them. So I think that's not too bad. Most of them were more skin type products, which I was working on anyway, that I kind of threw in here as well. Sometimes some products that I wouldn't really be using too much, but a lot of them I was using anyway. So that is maybe the less exciting thing. But I've also used up an additional 5 makeup items through here, and I've been working a bit more on some body lotions and those type of products, because they're the type of products that I tend to skip if I don't have them in projects or something, just because I feel like it takes too much time, which isn't really true, but like, our mind does weird things sometimes. So that is it for today. A short one because there were only 3 products to talk about, and summarizing this project didn't take too much time. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.